pay a mental health. Now they call children so mothers and women and men.
Okay.
Now one of the things that you should watch say environmental factors.
Okay.
Say anyama woye you put them and I say baby I tea. Affect mental health okay. One of the risk factors.
Okay.
In the community, how can the community know? Baby I war, baby I war too. How can it affect mental health for children? The first in America, a corporal punishment, any harsh discipline.
Okay. You're trying to manitra.
And I gonna had the any so when you and catch it. Yo, the news na say obidi ebibi aboneba na yeti crisis obidi bibi etwaneba say o ze dey for wie bibi wa fa bibi. Yes. Edienti, what at all is it? Would you be me a year, a second years or whatever a chow bansa?
Okay.
And now near Kusia can pay 1 hour no be our nature no 9 months. That's why you be cry. Nyabute.
Okay.
So corporal punishment anti Ghana has CCSA. Your banning was illegal according to the Children's Act. No, if you say first no kaya you school mental.
1 + 1 - 1 × 1 + 2. Which one Japan about you?
Person go school because usro when him say o ko hopa dia. Into by the time I walk in na teacher we na eba wa no pay your mass. Nti akola ni ko enya sa adwen na odi besua ade no I enjoy some mass. Nti corporal punishment na ye bu ye ba ni align ye ni ye bu want to ni na the fear
and you slow
ana oni obiti wa ye obone enya wo ba wasuma no disika na yera na wo buna machese ebitimi bu omo na ana on manaduane. A lot of these things no affecting kola a mental health into being no be a suro ni mu obi nipa kasa no kura no suro okwa adwuma ma obi etieti aneso because ehu woni mu woni pam onim se de bia no ya ka che de bia se wo nya papa unye good ye bro ena kola ni bi so esua sa de no no so ba ya aggressive intini na ka untu benya kola bia wanyi afido ye na dia basa ono so ko school obubu nkofa basa na ni na akoka conduct bibia ye kan conduct disorders na akola no sua aggressive behaviors bia enema no en fakwem into corporal punishment any harsh discipline and a bullying in person online see online na be a major thing
because now social media
so ngola ni na kra phone on be so better phone kra ma ba kra ni na fufu ni obi a tablet so baby na yes no mo din semeto especially mo ye teenagers no because of puberty ni curiosity ni changes no sexual issues no yes we akoye say no mo dia better social media home pictures and I would so when so and I will like a cracker. And why you say akola bi wa maybe because of family woman the body no to change maybe the age mates now on your more class because hey on no by you
one eba no
Ghana strongest
just say
Jesus who change our SS tisane mani na efa akola ni tima na fedie shame.
Okay.
Maybe a collaboration or ya be I want to meaning na for the same exposure to violence.
Okay.
Say maybe o fear be money mama ni papa de bia ke ni car.
Na mo konto kwa. Wait to konwa, wait to toss kind.
Yeah.
Oh.
And so Eddie problems brain collaborate. Most of the time no. So when your case be as a psychologist. Most of the time, maybe say me come and Musa about maybe 80% of to 90% of the time. Most of the issues no ni pa kono face one in pain face. It's always there's always childhood history bia
onya
influence sisia no the cause well na brabo into exposure to violence abuse ya no ya na yaka na kosu yaka the last time say you say bema into a career dream way they be into the future child labor any early adult roles akola biti won chen onu ene ye adwuma na wo fi ho akola so di 10 years adwuma nke wo say 18 years 17 years no ye na wo ma no ton ade men ka say o maybe so wo bibi na wo ba betimi abo emane mo ba say akola ni enko na ye say adwuma no enu no child labor
na wura mu o ka ye nyina sa na ye
una be so fees na mama ana o ya o de be ko hospital early adult roles papa ni honti akola be ma no noa na ye enyema bi mama ni honti ono na ehwe ni nuanum e wa kwahye adwuma ma ono na beba no no aduane ma ni nua keto no obedware omo na awo mada ansa wa ba fie be 9 10
akora kitekete
time be na akora ni benya esuade na ono so arrest so childhood labor any early adult roles so it may affect mental health so wow when you waye panyimu prekope nso so when timi enya time a abosa akola etimi ya akola one ne nyuanum anase ne nafofo etimi so ade ena akola bi so stigma
nkekai adenke kan
so be ka so
nimti abuo so
akola de na wo ra ho say ye to ma wudi atare matage Christmas bibia ma ora ho say dey adesina ora you don't need to feel depressed some mates ni nyama ekeka so akola de uni problem bia adeso bia so akola wo problems
right
or maybe o school ade no husu eniti waye basa inti fact wa to manage ni nche say oh you okay inti sa ne mana ye keka no so eno so to me affecting kola no and their mental health na yenhwe women so women na udi kan expectations no eye bebre na eye me dey say Mother's Day abeshia sa incommodate your mental health gender based violence and sexual assault
ye pramano yo mayaka de
obu ha ni kunu a onenete adia ode ye no
oburu nsie
mi read this story bi na lady no or defect neni ba ko ha ne kakra nti ono onyi nyina no obu ni ho abonfia na ni kunu ya oware no onyim eno sa bro no ka ho no ya no pa na ni so neni ba ko na aka no o sa sey no so aka ho enti o kasa kasa neni mbasa kasa o kura ho nyefe wa manipulate me na mama be ware o wow kan sanse mo iche wo here anase obi a opese o ware no into physical verbal sexual assault oye anase obi a oni no kasa o ene me feel fa me pacho nyabotre uso aden rape ahura a man go through as young as 3 months 1 year old na ye rape omo na busa say akono be nkunkun antia
nkura ketenkete
ena inti women go to a lot
3 months wow
it's a lot pressure to marry and bear children
ntem no
pressure to marry say oboso wa bad year and you do 25 6 7 echo 30 grade enkan when you just say odi and who atwam who atwam kwa say who ntina a man be bria anxious who abamu si sebo di 30 obi bisa age wa want me because a man no omo hwehwe younger women and I say man because say we di 30 I say o yi say obewo complications ni ade no obi a hwehwe young lady a betimi awo mama no nti wa ware mama 1 year 2 year 3 years and that be na abewo and a life na obo popular musician bi Ghana say makes me abodidi because I said no kai public.
Okay.
Diana Hamilton or say when you ma for 6 years worry. Okwa sorry na my mami mpanyifo belt na obono heels na wo hye no eno na ema ade. These are the issues that Emma go to body beauty standard. And then kofo bebre na industry abe kofo bebre na ko motopane ni ade.
Pressure to be
Coca-Cola body shape uni dia ene chese won ka ho. Why na be ware bleaching creams ahoro. And then the makeup is the different types. And then the eyebrows enomuya is different style biaba. 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 cedis worth of wig. Now we are national service personnel. Offer 10,000 cedis way.
That's a weird.
We are. And I saw back over there may be more the Bema. And then expose you to all kinds of things. On the sick animals, so farmer or freezer. Bibi ete until they lose weight. And I can say do. Sunny many na how. And double burden say a juma any fear deal. And now could say what would two? What would twins? Oh yeah, juma. Oh your wife. Yen collaborate di we juma so ye tune. And so when your boss be or yet to say I could see a boss Dr. Kwame despite of one at the time. Obekobenya mental health crisis.
Right.
Enti ukunu susunti mema no mo yerim in this because sisi ano ema kwa adwuma mema so eden kwa adwuma one kwa adwuma so obubu say what do you bring to the table and a menstrual pain maternal issues and no biological aspect no
okay
say o body na ka say alone no ema o issues even before say obenya o menses no campo stages of luteal phase way face ovulate emu susun ahoro maternal pain client bia na or name can about the postpartum depression or say just say bibia you nehi obia expecting is on strong is so breaking on the inside it was only one day after all pain or go to CS ntino akola no kra na ninje enti all this is maternal pain. So we feel maybe we say blood pressure and then say or china say nini na ekahona my mental health affected. And the last thing for man is religious and cultural. So maybe a sorry I will call and I say maybe a faith be a woman. GDA woman. And my say so a man kasa a man yen penyinfo o ye bibia e na wona ukunu o so bro ho asema no nso ukunu o ye wa yakaya ka cultural shaming and obade enye say obade enu so we say ni na the pressure enti wo ye oba nso hu ne were o ye hu o ye bibia e na wanye sa wunye kunu pressure on all levels.
So how does the community affect member mental health?
Toxic masculinity scripts.
Okay. Any ababe.
Mama sanka biom toxic
masculinity
scripts. And no say nyema ye dream fa member ho ana say nyema ye dream fa member ho enye ne kwan so and I say emwa and I say a deep pressure eto omusumo ti na odi kan men don't cry
men su
ye tutu a e twi be ma
na no ma duru anyo eti otu a echi be ma mo
enti wo problem untimi nka wo problem untimi nsu
okay
by ye David wa Bible mu a my soul insema David ka
mekra ada na aboto there's a gonna nya ka
so oh bad road or mre yeah it's so name na fa sounds ye ko mani afa radi so mu radi so mu so remember no sade na ye no men, yes, someone to say ma, but they should also cry. And also, bibi how ma, kawasem, bibi how kawasem, and a provider pressure. When I also automated.
Obi say, remember no, bread winners, and money a bread eaters.
Oh, no, they are not. I enjoy a book. Provider pressure, yeah, okay. Remember, you will cry. So maybe the Juman shed on ye are on to me worry. Because why never worry? BBI, so when you see the NHS, I won't get bema.
Okay.
Inti man be depression. Ti best say man no ye. Stigma around inkikai around therapy, any mental health here can want me. So maybe BB how now person okun counselor and answer person no because can want say oh na we so counselor be.
Okay.
Oko ka say. O make us we weak. O cry on ni den. Bema dey also ma we ni den. Isusu only bakonu go to issues. So boy fan say ye can abuse ni violence in childhood. Maybe ayana yakayaka dia ni penny fees who say jumemu na ni relationships mu onya challenges so person only because kasa no nya mo because wo sha wode ka sho de binti mema no on kokra na wakoka na ka say oh media mini a week pacho so uko pemwa you are no weak only weak you are not mad
Priscilla said munti mema mommy sis asem so e hu hia me pa all the men should listen. Priscilla is saying that asking for help is not the same as weakness.
Yeah.
And it's not equal to weakness. And it's never weakness. And it's a baby eba wakwem. Now here more. Now I say utu anambo ekache obi say, please, I need your help. And on chere say oyemre. Ti mema no san script na culturally amamre ahishe wadwene na ahishe watenka na ahishe said you see eje muafa no sa amambra de na aye no Priest Asemen Kanche was saying asking for help is not equal to weakness. Impressive.
Yeah. Na alcohol susu any substance inti mema bebre enumunsa or you see money tramo inti behu na sebi oni na mabonten basa and no so the mental health issues
because mama na member lines 0260196064 0260196065 Fred 0260196064 0260196065 bisa enkoso
or remember problems obeka asemnti nti make us go and speak to somebody you be enko kasa
na say catch my monster yen
oh and no dey mati and I me say man say mamun
okay
ukunu ananse unya bema bi ananse bema bi open up no kana sem chewa we invite you to a space a vulnerable space or just say boami enye ho na because na osusu sana otie nti say assemble say na ba be so ahye me ene ma me pe baby fa pacho say na we go to problems I will feel it down sana no susu wo emotions ono susu bet me feel it down nti anunti omo no monsa ana onu mu boni odisie e costi na djuma obaka se ona mi kru ni adwuma omo ne huma den ena nkola igumeso enso nsa no de aye ensa no onu when you problem on adwuma obeso ni mu na wa encourage ni no osusu kike bi fra na je oba fie na obi se odaka mu ni ade so alcohol ni substance normalization so abeye issue aye mema pa and a limited male friendships
nafo
and ubutimi busa omuhu mu a chairman my boss ubusa ni say nti bra na okwezi ni din de say onim 2 years ni ohu be your friend chairman nzo onim ni din da omuko bobo omuko nomu nsa omuko ye omuko ko hwe chairman so onim ni din da nti oni enkita oni adamfo asem adamfo ni
me come asem chire
o kana asem chire intini na ye football any politics anyways ye no be able to
mema and can't deep things and they don't deeply engage
ukwaka asem kwa ena mema musi mani se mema ena siro mu pa ukwaka chire because na you siro mesro no remember nika de bia so mess na so make say we o metagi so we sensitive boy and we dey cause them cry and fa won kan ho entino male friendships no mamu mane nye politics any football kwa na any ye kori o mo friend say pork ne kebab any new no matwumako ne nkwan fufuo no mawie no maba mun kam ho nsem dinkomo na boa danfo maybe ade bi train so na wo so eden when you experience be and finally workplace culture baby a we hear adwuma no
okay
so we hear adwuma den wo ko leave kwa now the year no ko leave unye strong kwa ukwa therapy we adwuma mana say adwuma the council ni ne maybe a hihye ho be ma ukọ bi unafofo be sirunti
right
onko it is anima we ni na workplace so ha mema no pa nti ese mema no community to me affect mu nti mu hwe ni ye